Next trick we're going to teach you is called split the atom. This is another really good trick like brain twister. It's really impressive. This one's going to take some practice. I'm going to go through it. If you don't get it the first time, watch the video again. Slow it down. Make sure you're getting every move. It's important. Might take you a little while, but we're going to go into it. So split the atom. Throw a straw and sleeper, and you kind of start the same way you started brain twister, but instead of threading into the yo-yo like so, you actually take your pointer finger and you push it into the string. It's going to be just above the yo-yo. So watch this move here. I come around and push it like that. Let me show you real quick what it's going to look like, the whole trick itself. So I throw, I push into the string, I go forward, I come backwards, and I push in twice. It's kind of like you end with a little brain twister and catch. So once again, the mount. This is called a split bottom mount, like split the atom. You swing it up. Should be kind of one fluent motion. Yo-yo's going to catch right there. Okay? So practice that a couple times. Get that really strong and solid. The next step is you take your non-throw hand pointer finger and you actually bring it underneath the yo-yo like so. Just like that. See how I'm barely moving my throw hand? It just comes right under. And then once again with that same finger, it goes underneath that pointer finger this time, goes straight into those two strings. And you take, this time with your throw hand, the string closest to your left side, if you're left-handed, it's going to be the right side, and you thread it underneath the yo-yo like so. Let me show you again real quick and bring you up to speed with what we just did. It is the split bottom mount. You take your non-throw hand, bring it forward, push into those two strings, you pull backwards, take your throw hand pointer finger now, keep it in this string, and just like brain twister, you push into those two back strings and spin it around like so. So one more time. Looks like this. It's forward, backwards. Let me try that again. You don't want to drop those strings. It's important. Forwards, backwards, 1, 2, come back out, and then catch. And that is split the atom. Practice it.